Have you ever wondered how programmers communicate with computers? It might look complicated in movies, multiple screens, green text, and hundreds of lines of code. But what if I told you that very first program can be written in just one line? So today we are going to build our first program together and pin the most famous message in the programming history, that is the hello world. And we'll do it in five different languages: C, C++, Java, JavaScript, and Python. So by the end of this video, you'll understand not only how to write the code, but also why every programmer starts with hello world. So before writing a code, let's quickly understand what a program is. So a program is simply a set of instructions given to a computer. And if you want to understand a program deeply, then check out the previous videos. Link is in description. So let's see how different programming language give this same instruction. So let's start with C. This is a simple program. It prints hello world. This might look scary at first, but don't worry. The first line has include stdio.h. It gives access to the input and output functions. And the main function is where the program starts executing. And then we have a printf functions that display the text on our screen. And then we have a return that tells the operating system that the program ended successfully. When we run this program, the output is hello world. Now let's look at C++. The same operation can be done in a different way. Notice something? The structure is very similar to C. The main difference is that instead of printf, C++ uses the cout. Again, the output is exactly the same, that is hello world. So again in this code, first line it shows the header file, and then we have a main function, and after that the cout function that prints hello world, and then we have a return function. Now we are going to print hello world in Java. Java looks a little longer. Look at the code. Here the class is named hello world. Then we have a main method. That is the entry point of this program. And then we have a system.out.println that prints the message hello world. So Java requires a bit more structure, but it's one of the most widely used language in the world. When we run this code, then again it prints hello world. Now let's move to JavaScript. Console.log hello world. That's it. Just one line. Console.log displays the message in the browser's console or in terminal. So it prints hello world in just one line. And it is very simple and beginner friendly. So finally Python. That is most easiest and simple language. Just you have to write print hello world. One line, no class, no main method, even no complicated syntax. This simply is why a Python is most often recommended as a best programming language for beginners. So even though the code looks different in every language, but the goal is exactly the same: displaying a message, executing the instructions, and just print the hello world. So different language uses a different syntax, but the programming logic remains the same. This is an important lesson for beginners. Don't focus only on memorizing the syntax. Focus on understanding the concepts. Congratulations, you have just explored your first program in 5 different programming languages. Today it was Hello World, tomorrow it could be calculators, games, websites, mobile apps, or even AI applications. Every expert programmer starts with a simple program just like this one. So comment below which programming language looked easiest to you: C, C++, Java, JavaScript, or Python. If you enjoy this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and continue your coding journey. Then happy coding!